Okay, for this one, basically you just set up the equation. Okay, it's chapter 13, and now you know that there will be 18 people. So this is the equation that you're going to set. Okay, and then 6 times 75 plus, okay, the mean of that. Maybe you like it to be x. So after the calculation, you have c to be your answer. So for this one, the formula for this mean will be, okay, 0 times 1 plus 1 times 3 plus 2 times 6 plus 3 times 14 plus 4 times 6. And then, because there will be in total, basically add them all together, that should be equals to 30. So at the end, you will have the mean to be 8. And then for this one, you have to rearrange it first, okay, for median. So that is why you should have x minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 1, and then you will have x plus 3, x plus 5, x plus 6. So you consider these two. So that is why you will have 2x plus 2 divided by 2, which is x plus 1. And for this one, if you would like to find the median, okay, so now you can count it here. This is 11, and this one will be 10, 8, and then 6, and then 5. So when you add them all together, you will have 20, 30, 40 students. So that means you're going to consider 40 divided by 2 and 40 divided by 2 plus 1, because this is an even number. So look at the 20th and 21 data, which should be here, 20 and 21. That is why you have 1 to be your answer, okay, for this one. And then for question 5, which one should be the mole? I guess basically you can see it because the number of students, okay, here this one will be more. Okay, so that is why the mole of it will be B and C. Okay, but for this one you just fill in the table first. So to save the time, I fill it in first. Okay, for the mean, okay, we will use the cast mark to do the calculation. So when you set up the equation, we use the cast mark multiplied by the frequency and then add them together. Okay. And then divided by the total number of frequency, which is these number add together. Okay, so that will be 637.5 cm cube. The model counts, I guess you can see it, that should be 600 to 699 cm cube, because that is greatest. And then you have to write down the number of cities. So you just have to look at this one, then total will be what fit in. Okay, well, this one, this is a cumulative frequency. That is why when you look at this one, 2, and then this one is 8, and then this one will be 18, and this one will be 28. Okay, and then for this one will be 34, this one will be 36. So when you're going to compare this table, you just have to do the subtraction from the previous one. This is 6 and 2, and then when you're going to find out the mean, median, and mode cases, basically you just add them all together. For the mean, you look for the cast mark, so you have x equals to 8 times 2 plus 13 times 6 plus 18 times 10 plus 23 times 10 plus 28 times 6 plus 33 times 2. So for the total, that will be 36. So we divide it by 36, which will give you the mean equals to 20.5 degrees Celsius. Okay, for median, you just have to look at the middle part, which is the 18. I mean, you draw the point here, and then you can look for the value, which is equals to 20.5 degrees Celsius. Okay. So the median equals to 20.5 degrees Celsius. Okay, and the last one for the model cars. So we look for the same value, which is equals to 16 to 20 and 21 to 25 degrees Celsius. So these two cases will be the same, will be the model cases. Okay, for this one, you have to set up the equation by using 3x plus 2y plus 3 equals to, divided by 3 equals to 7, and 5x plus 4y plus 7 plus negative 3 divided by 4 equals to 9. So these two equations, you can set up something first. So you have this one with you. Okay, and then the second one will be 5x plus 4y equals to 36 minus and become plus 3 minus 7 equals to 32. So you have these two equations and then you solve it. You can solve it by elimination or substitution. So if you solve it by elimination, then that one will be easier. Okay, then you can have something like this. And then you can simplify the term, which gives you x equals to 4. And then by substitution, you substitute x equals to 4 in 1, then you have 3 times 4 plus 2y equals to 18, 2y equals to 6, y equals to 3. Okay, so x equals to 4 and y equals to 3. And then for median and mole, so basically 3x equals to 12, 15, 6, and then you have 12, negative 3, 3, and 7. So that is why you have to rearrange it first. Okay, and after rearrangement, now there will be 7 data. That means the middle part will be 7 plus 1 divided by 2, which is equals to 4. So this is the median. And for mole, that will be 12, of course, like this.